What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry that I've been away, but I've been working really hard trying to get a fresh new 1.0 release for my game on Steam, which is currently out right now. I'm going to be running campaigns like this through the channel for a few weeks. So if you guys want to support me in the channel and my development, you can definitely check that out right now on Steam. I'll have the link for that in the description below. Also, I invite you to subscribe to my new channel for my game studio, where I post devlogs, me and my side project with Lumberyard, updates to the game and video updates there. So a lot going on, but I actually will have more time to invest into tutorials now that I can take a little bit of a breather. So enough of that. Now that I got that out the way, let's get right into the tutorial. What's up, my fellow devs, and welcome back to the Dev Shop. So today we're going to take a brief overview of slices. Now these are very akin to prefabs, but they come with some other features and some in-depth things that you can do that sets it apart from regular prefabs. So I kind of gave it away, but a slice is basically a group or collection of entities that is stored inside one entity or stored as one singular unit. This comes in handy when you are prototyping and building out your level or doing level design, and say you have a multitude of cars spread without your level. It'd be very unintuitive to place 50 to 100 cars by hand and then go back to tweak each one when you want to make an edit, whether you want to change the color, maybe you want to add some rust, maybe you want to add some lighting or whatever have you. You have to do that for each one. That's very unintuitive and very unproductive. What you would want to do is build out a slice of different types of cars that you're going to have in the world. That way, when you make an edit to one, it trickles down to every entity that matches that same slice. So as you can see here, we have 3 entities with a actor mesh and a light on it. As you can see here, I have the entity light and the glow light. And the glow light has, if you go down to the light, under the animation has something changes. So if you go up to the light, and let's say if I wanted to change it to be visible, turn it off. Now to simulate that for all 3, all I have to do is go to the first entity that I changed, right click, go to save slice override for 2 entities, the 2 that are not changed, and now the light is off for all of them. And I can do that with any entity that matches. So I can go to the first one and turn his back on, change the color to a green, hit OK, right click, save slice. Now all 3 are green. If I wanted to change the animation, I can go to 1, change the speed to 4, phase 0.8. And let's change the style to, I don't know, something 150. So we're going to change it to 2, 2, and 0. And I'm just going to change that to the rest of the whatchamacallits. So as you can see, it can be very powerful. Now this is just a very simplistic view of how to do it. We could create other entities and place them under other entities. Basically, you're nesting your slices, and then you can make edits to those nested slices. So I hope you guys have a good overview of what a slice is. If you are familiar with prefabs and you have a good idea of how to maneuver around slices for the most part. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just a quick video. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Don't forget to check out Discord, Patreon, PayPal, all that good stuff down in the description below. Other than that, hope you guys are having a very dope day. I hope you guys are prospering on your projects. And until next time, keep developing.